Throwback to when we said that we were gonna keep the garage clean. Good afternoon, guys. Today is going to be a very exciting day because today we're gonna go pick up the BRZ. It's finally done getting wrapped, and today will be my third time picking up my newly wrapped BRZ in the past 2 months. You guys already know the whole situation. I got the worst wrap ever. I got it done from a pretty bad wrap shop. They redid the entire car and it still came out pretty bad, but it was much better than the first time. I finally took it to, from my understanding, a more reputable person. You guys saw me take off all the wrap. I sent it out the other day and I asked him to send me pictures throughout the entire process. He's been sending me pictures almost every single day now. And honestly speaking, I thought I wouldn't get too excited because it's the same color and it's very, very minor changes. But every time he sends me a picture, I get more and more excited. I'm so excited to see the car all finished up. We still have to put the wing on. The wing's sitting right here. I repainted all the metal parts of the wing, so we'll put that on once we get back home. But I'm super excited to see the car, so let's head out. Had to make a quick pit stop at Wawa for some Monster and Snickers because we are definitely gonna need the energy today. This is my first time trying it too. It's the extra strength. It's a smaller bottle, but it's extra strength. Why does it say super dry? What the It tastes weird.
Like sweeter.
Yeah, it doesn't taste like green Monster.
This is weird. It tastes like tangerine.
Yeah, no, it does. It does.
Like
it actually does taste like tangerine. That's weird. Are you kidding me right now?
No.
There's 2 cops right there.
Where?
Right there, dude.
Oh shit.
Right there. This man just gives no fucks.
Sorry, officers.
Yeah.
Tickling my pickles.
What? What? What?
A few moments later. This time, like, we made little differences. Like, we made this part gloss black, and that was all your idea. Yeah. I didn't even think about that.
Yeah. I thought it'd be a cool idea. Almost give it like a front lip kind of style.
Yeah, no, it is pretty cool. We did this part black, like part of the bumper black this time. We still did the inlays over here, and these look so much better than before. Before they, remember, dude? Do you remember? Dude, the front, it was like coming off over here. Yeah, no, and then like
clean because like he ended it right here. Before they went like all the way around.
It was super uneven before. A lot of people gave me shit for not having this in like all my pictures. I never had that. That looks dope. Yeah. Holy shit! And we followed the whole body line. Like, dude, that's a good wrap job right there. I'm like looking at everything right here.
Yeah, I tucked everything. I took the whole and everything off. I tucked everything as far as I could down.
For everybody that saw this car in person, you guys know that before you just saw like the white fender in between the hood and the fender, and now it's like all green. Like, he actually like went his complete way and actually like did the inside. What are your thoughts on this? And what do you think about the gloss black accents that we added?
It looks really good. And then the thing is that like as soon as we walked into Wrap Mobile and we saw the wrap, it was just like I could see like little things that just didn't look like right.
Yeah.
And then I'm looking at the car right now and I'm just like everything looks like perfect, like how it should be, you know?
Yeah.
Like it looks like the show car you want it to be.
Yeah.
Not like just a regular street car that, you know, just goes like to little meets on Fridays or whatever, you know?
That kind of hurts, Jay. I'm gonna pretend that he never said that because that kind of hurts me a little bit because I'm that guy. But I'm really excited about the wrap, guys. This looks so freaking sick. Like, it actually, like, everything's super tucked. It all looks really nice. And we actually didn't put the corn sticker on this time because for some reason everyone thought the gas cap was ruined. So I mean, what's the point of a corn sticker if everybody just thinks it looks terrible? This is the fender, and you can see that it was completely wrinkled up. You come here and see it, and it's so damn good. Tucked so nicely. Sounds so freaking good. Oh, I missed it so much. Huge shout out to Nick from Unusual Designs, dude. If you guys want to check him out, here it is, Unusual Designs. Give him a follow on Instagram because he made the BRZ sick as fuck. Dude, that looks so fucking crazy. Just a fat booty. It looks super clean without the wing. The wing needs to be there just for that little extra flair. The wing just makes this car crazy. It makes the car stand out just a little bit more. So Jay's gonna be driving my car so I could get some rollers of him driving. I'm gonna be taking Jay's girlfriend's car and I'm gonna be getting some rollers on the highway with my car. We have about a 30-minute drive home. We're gonna go ahead and drop the BRZ off. We're gonna go drop off the BRZ at my house. After we drop it off, we actually have to go to an auto repair shop because RX-8 that you guys saw in the last video,
video actually broke down on me yesterday. For those of you guys who follow my Instagram, you guys already know. Basically what happened is that it stopped going into gear. Now, what I think it could be is the release fork. They're telling me it's the clutch. I don't know, we're gonna go there, talk to the guy, check it out, see what's wrong with it. Hopefully it's not anything too crazy. Damn, I got a ricer behind me. Oh shit, dude! Fuck! That blew out my fucking eardrum! Holy shit, dude! I'm not gonna lie, I completely forgot how loud that thing is. It like blew my eardrums. I'm not talking to you, bro. It's loud as shit. Dude, it's so fucking loud. I really forgot how loud that thing is, but I fucking love it, man. Holy shit. Now you guys know I wasn't like super excited when I got my car back from Rap Mogul, but now I'm just so excited because it actually came out nice. Like now it's nice, all the details are like on point. I'm so excited to drive this thing now. I can't wait. Made it back to home base. The BRZ sounds so good, looks so good, and it looks so right in my garage. I forgot to air it out, of course, but it looks so right in my garage. We have to put the wing back on. I waxed the wing and everything. We have to assemble all the pieces, put the wing back on. But first we have to go check up on the RX-8. But yeah, the last thing is to do the wing. I also have something to shine the exhaust, so I'm definitely gonna shine the exhaust as well. But yeah, can't wait, gotta put the wing back on. The car is gonna be pretty much finished. And yeah, we have to jet seal it as well. For those of you who don't know, if you have sweaty hands and you touch this car, it leaves a stain. So what this is gonna do is basically just put a protective layer over it. It's basically like a wax, but for matte cars. For some reason, matte cars have specific waxes and washes. You can't just use anything on a matte car. It's gonna completely ruin the finish. We're going into the area where we can get E85, so might as well fill it up. This monster hit us really hard early this morning, but I'm like completely drained out, dude. What about you?
Yeah, I'm fucking tired now.
Completely drained out. We need another one of these. Just got back from the auto shop and getting E85, and I didn't record at the auto shop because I didn't want to put the camera in their face. I'm pretty sure they don't want that. Basically, they told me the car is going to need a new clutch, which really sucks because the guy we bought it from said he replaced the clutch about 2 months ago. Clearly he lied, but that's just some things that happen when you buy a used car. But back to the better news, the BRZ is finally at home base. I definitely have to put in these lights. We're gonna go over the car real quick with the jet seal that I was talking about a little bit earlier. I used this exact bottle last time. What we're gonna do is put this all over the car, leave it on there for about 45 minutes to an hour, let it cure, take it off, and then do it one more time. I'm probably only gonna put 3 coats on the car, and while the car is getting coated up, we're gonna be putting the wing back on. Not too much to do, but it is gonna be just a little time consuming.
The next day.
I don't know exactly where we left off the video yesterday. I kind of stopped recording because it was starting to get really dark. What we got done though is we put 1 coat of jet seal all over the car. Now it needs about 2 more coats. We also took the back bumper off. And right now we're working on putting the chassis mount back onto the car. I'm not gonna put it on the same way it always was. This time what I wanna do is I wanna space the chassis mount out just a little bit more. If I space it out about 1 inch, I should be able to use my trunk every day, which is really gonna help a lot. It's kind of aggravating not being able to use my trunk. It's definitely gonna take some time and effort to space it out a little bit, but it's definitely gonna be worth it. We also started adding some extra horsepower through stickers on the back windshield. Huge shout out to High Intake Performance for always hooking it up with the parts. Go check them out on Instagram. Huge shout out to Unusual Designs for doing an amazing job on the wrap. Also huge shout out to Phil SDK for making this sticker for me. It actually matches my wrap, which in my opinion, honestly looks so dope, and I don't care what anyone says, this looks dope. If you guys need any stickers, definitely go check them out. Gotta show all the homies and supporters some love. I'm actually trying to make sure that everything gets done by today because we actually have a car show to attend tomorrow. Me, Jay, and a bunch of other friends. It's called Cars for a Cause at Montclair State University. It should be a good turnout, should be a lot of fun, but we have to make sure that the chassis mount is back on the car. Okay, let me just explain what we're doing real quick. So on the BRZ, on the BRZ, there's a bolt that sticks out of here. So when you mount the chassis mount on, you screw in 2 bolts here and one already sticks out here. Now, since we're putting in a spacer, this one is not long enough. So we're just kind of tapping it out and we're gonna put a longer bolt through and hopefully it holds it just like this did and we'll be able to space it out a little bit. I think this is a 4-inch. I'm not 100% sure, but we're just gonna put it in through the back right here. And you can clearly tell that I missed so much. But yeah, we're gonna put it through right here and then the chassis mount is gonna go on and we're gonna make sure there's some spacers. I've tried before putting only 2 bolts in and it makes the wing like really shaky. I want to avoid any excessive shake on the wing, so I took this extra step this time. So hopefully 3 bolts do the trick. I am so sorry, but I did it again. I got too carried away with working on the car and trying to get it finished, and it got kind of dark and I didn't record all the important stuff. But in all honesty, we didn't really get done what I was trying to do. We did not get the spacer done. The spacer totally didn't work. So the wing is still sitting how it was before. I'm gonna get the car all cleaned up right now so I don't have to do it tomorrow morning. With that being said, I'm gonna end the video right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.